In this video, we're going to discuss addition and subtraction of complex numbers. So given two complex numbers here, z1 and z2, z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, and z2 is equal to negative 3 plus 4i, then adding them, down here z3 equals z1 plus z2. To add them, we just add the real parts, which are going to be in blue, and then we add the complex parts, which are in red. So 3i plus 4i. This all comes out to be negative 1 plus 7i, and that's your answer, Z3. On the right here, when you subtract, you do the same thing, but you subtract the real numbers and then you subtract the complex numbers. So in blue, we have 2 minus a negative 3. And then we're going to add the complex parts. We're going to have 3i minus 4i. So what this equals is 5 plus a negative I, which is really just minus I. So really as simple as that. We're going to run through just a couple other problems here. 14 minus I minus negative 5 plus 2i. So for this one, again, we're going to subtract the real numbers, 14 minus a negative 5, and then we're going to have negative I minus 2i. So this comes out to be 19 plus a negative 3i, and we can just rewrite that as minus 3i. Alright, so on the right here, we have 8 plus 5i plus a negative 8 plus 5i. So we're adding, so we're going to add the real parts and then add the complex parts. So here, the real part cancels out, and we are left with just an imaginary number, 10i. Alright, so bottom left, now we have 4 plus 3i plus 4 minus 3i. So these two elements are interesting because if this is z, then this is called the conjugate of z, which is written as z with a little bar on top. We still do this, the addition the same way, where we're going to add the real parts and then add the imaginary parts. We have 8 here, but then the imaginary parts cancel out, and our final answer is just the real number 8. And finally, we have 7 plus 7i plus negative 3 plus 2i. So same thing as for all the rest. Add the reals, and add the imaginaries. 4 plus 9i.